my channel. So today I've got an amazing plank challenge for you. So before we begin, smash that like button, smash it real hard. So you guys have done so amazing in the last two challenges for both the glute bridge and also the flat belly challenge. It is amazing what we can achieve in a month. Now, I know plank workouts are not everyone's favorite, it is not mine as well, but this challenge is just a quick and fun 10-minute workout that's gonna work your abs, your back, your arms. It is a full body workout that's gonna help to strengthen and tighten up that core, and you know how important that is if you want a smaller waist. So there are only 2 rules. You're gonna do this video 4 to 6 times a week depending on your schedule. Do this in addition to your normal workouts, but I'm gonna do it first thing in the morning. There are 4 timers in this workout. In week 1, you work out for 20 seconds and get 30 seconds off. Week 2 is 30 seconds on and 20 seconds off. Week 3, 40 seconds on and 10 seconds off. And week 4, you only get to rest for 10 seconds every 2 exercises. The goal of this challenge is to get stronger, get that lean arms, and also get that tight core, which helps in getting a smaller waist. So yeah, don't get discouraged if you feel weak at the start. It's all about the progression. Now, if you feel like sharing your results, feel free to use my hashtag #CloeTingChallenge and follow me on Instagram. Do share your before and after progress photos or your measurements, and also don't forget to leave a comment in this video with your progress as well. And now let's get started. We've got 12 exercises and different rest times according to which week you're on. Don't worry, I'll remind you along the way. The first exercise is plank with hip dips. Be in a low plank position on your elbows as you dip your hips side to side. Make sure you pull in your stomach and squeeze that abs. Guys, on week 1, you can rest now. Guys, on week 2, you can rest in about 7 seconds. I'm only going to do rest time reminders for the next 2 exercises, so remember to watch out for your beeps. Guys, on week 3, rest. Please note that I'm following week 3 for this video, so follow me if you're on week 3. Body saw is next. Be in a low plank position on your elbows and walk backwards as much as you can. Take about 4 to 5 steps back and forward into a low plank again. Make sure your butt is not poking up or dripping down, and engage that core. Week 1, rest. Week 2, rest. Week 3, rest. No more rest reminders from here onwards. Remember to listen for your beeps. Guys, on week 4, this is your first rest. You get to rest every 2 exercises. Next, we have one leg downward dog knee tuck. Get in a high plank position and lift one leg behind you and bring your knee in and squeeze that abs. Make sure you engage your abs as you bring it in. Now alternate between the 2 legs. Guys, don't be too strict with the timers. Feel free to do it longer or take a longer break. Adjust it based on your current fitness level. Next, we have plank scorpions. Get in a low plank position on your elbows and bring one leg behind you, bend it like so, and try to touch the ground. If you can't touch the ground, it is fine. Alternate between the 2 legs, and this is really great for your obliques and obviously your abs. Next up, we've got Spider-Man plank. Get in a high plank position and plank sideways like you're a Spider-Man. This is getting harder, but you can do it. Get in the low plank position on your elbows and time to do some leg lifts. Make sure you're squeezing your abs and lower down the leg slowly. We're halfway through the workout, guys. Keep pushing through. You can do this. Mountain climbers are next. Go as hard as you can and tighten up that core. You can choose to do it slower if you prefer that, but work for those abs. Come on guys, you can do it. Rotation planks are next. This exercise isn't too hard, so it is a bit of a recovery, so remember to breathe and stay strong and squeeze those abs. Next, we have circular planks. This one is the hardest of the lot. Get in a high plank position and use your abs to draw a circle clockwise 5 times. Don't draw tiny lame circles now. Go slow and steady and decent sized ones. Now alternate and do circles anti-clockwise 5 times as well. Remember to not use your arms or legs to draw the circle. They are just there to assist the movement. Use your core muscles. Just keep fighting through, guys. Plank jacks are next. Jack both legs outwards and inwards. If you like to, you can perform one leg at a time, or feel free to do a mixture of both. Make sure your butt is not poking up or dropping down and engage that core. 2 more exercises to go, guys. We've got up and down plank next. You've got this. We're almost there. And the final exercise is bird dog. Raise the opposite hand and leg at one time. This requires a lot of core strength, so make sure you engage that core to balance yourself. Let's wrap this up, guys. And that's the end of the workout. Congrats, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Do follow me on Instagram and share that wonderful progress of yours so I can feature you in my monthly roundup video. And I'll see you guys in the next workout. Bye!